Welcome to Otisama. In this video, we are looking at this arithmetic challenge. I have a number of operations in this expression: subtraction, multiplication, addition, and division. The big question is which operation should come first? Using both as bracket first if you have off, second division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So let's go by it. Division is here, so we have 27 minus 9 times 6 plus, so 15 divided by 5. So you left with subtraction, addition, then multiplication. So according to board mass, multiplication will come first. So we have 27 minus 54 plus 5. Now with addition and subtraction, you can do either of them first. Now 27 minus 4, that's going to be minus 27 plus 5. So we are getting minus. So that is the answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.